Yung! Ito nga pala yung ginawa natin kay Madam. Sagittarius concept. Nalagyan natin ng clouds, sands, and a background. So, sa lahat ng gusto magpatattoo, we do home service at Tidsundo Car Tattoo. Even walk-in our shop located at Nara Street, 3 Lane 3, Imus, Cavite. Dito tayo sa shop ngayon. Meron tayong schedule around 8. And be my next client. So, ito si Madam. Sleeve black and gray. So next time, next session, full sleeve naman to. Right, bago na yun nag-start yan, inedit natin yan sa iPad. Inedit natin yung clouds, suns, and then yung horse, and then yung portrait ng Sagittarius. Alright, so sa lahat ng gusto magpatattoo, halimbawa nasa abroad pa kayo, down to avail a free layout and schedule, revisable until I meet your expectations. Maraming salamat po. Happy Monday grind. Thank you, Lord. And who's next?